Cryptocurrency, yeah. All right, let's get into this crypto talk. I want to give you my take on what I think is going on with the price of Bitcoin, the market for this week, the second week of January. Happy New Year to most of my people. I want to tell you my take on what I think the price of Bitcoin may do. Again, it's just my personal biased opinion. I am not your financial aid. Your financial advisor. No. In fact, if you're looking on YouTube to get financial advice, you're smart because you are at least looking to get advice. However, you might want to look in the mirror and say, I can do it, because you can do it too. You got to make your own decision, be your own financial advisor. All right. So I'm just going to give you my opinion, just my opinion. So first of all, let's look at the markets, and we'll look at the markets. And first of all, what we'll see is, first thing I look at is how much money is in the market cap. Right now, it's almost $800 billion with a B, $800 billion. Now, this is interesting that Bitcoin only has 34% of the dominance. So what's going on? Why is it that we're seeing red all through the top 50 altcoins? Red. Now, first of all, the altcoins have been pumping crazy. People have been winning if you're getting altcoins. Because if you think about it, listen, Bitcoin was at $20,000, okay? When this market, Bitcoin was at $20,000 when this market cap was only at 400 billion. When it was at 400 billion. So half of this Bitcoin was at more. And so now that the market has doubled and Bitcoin is less, so that means all of that money has just been going into these altcoins. But here's the deal. So that's why people have been winning with those altcoins. Altcoins, they're good, but in my personal opinion, a year, 2 years from now, a lot of these altcoins will not exist. So if you know what I just personally think what's going to happen is people are going to get afraid. Once this Bitcoin is going to start going on a run, I do think Bitcoin price could be manipulated a little bit ever since they hit the exchanges, the futures. But I really believe that that most of this money right here in this market cap is going to eventually come right back into Bitcoin. And so if you get that 400 billion that it was when it was 20,000, if you take that 400 billion and put it right back into Bitcoin, that means this price will probably be double, which is about 30,000. All right. So I can see the price of Bitcoin hitting 25 to 30,000 over the next 90 days. I really do see it happening. Again, we don't know what's going to happen. It may not happen. So don't just take my advice. I'm just giving you my opinion. All right. We see the price of Ripple. We see how Ripple just shot down. It was really high. A lot of people are brand new to this and they don't really understand what's what. So they're looking at Bitcoin and cryptocurrency like it's penny slots at the casino. They're saying, let me find something cheap. Right? Let me just see if I can go to the moon. And people are just throwing their money at stuff like it's a water fountain. Well, let me tell you something. You want to throw your money at something, throw your money to me. Give me a donation. I will use it. I accept. The church doors are open. You understand? I will take it. I don't turn down donations. But I'm just playing, guys. I'm just joking with you. But no, seriously, you gotta I would say don't look at this stuff like a penny stock, because it could get dangerous, because these prices go up and down. Okay. So it's very likely that these altcoins will begin to shoot down eventually, especially if they're not really based on anything interesting. All right. Don't buy this stuff just based off of the fear of losing out. Do your research, guys. Do your research. I'm going to be doing more of covering what coins I think are really good. All right. And this is going to be my opinion, of course. And then some strategies on how you can be able to, generate some income off of these sales of this, right? So, and I got different type of listeners. Some people are brand new. They don't even know what cryptocurrency is, right? They still think they're still trying to figure that out. And I got some people that are very advanced, and I got some people that like lending programs, some people that just want to hold on to coins. So listen, I'm going to cover all that on this channel. I promise. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what type of stuff you really want me to cover. Is it wallets? Is it the news? Is it ways to protect yourself? Is it the government? Is it privacy? Let me know, because we like to cover all of that. The lending programs, all of that, the good, the bad, the ugly, all of those things. So let me know. You guys do know one of the programs I do work with. I'm not trying to promote it heavy, but it is Devore. I like that. It's a lending program. I got my link in the description. But again, that's just for those that are into that. That's a lending program. I'm not trying to promote it super heavy. If you're not interested, that's cool. I just want to let people know there's always options out here. And the reason why I promote mine is because I'm always trying to teach and educate people. So this is not just you just being a part of a program, but this is being a part of a program with somebody that's supporting you and kind of keeping you up to date, specifically with this program, because I try not to do too many different programs. So with that being said, guys, I think some of these other coins, though, look, Bitcoin, when it comes to Ethereum, Ripple, Cardano, I think all these coins are going to continue to go up. I mean, they're going to come down like they're going down. I think they're going to continue to come down a little bit. But long term, they're going to go up. I think long term is like a year, 2 years. I mean, if you look at today and we compare it to, let's say we do this. Let me show you something real quick. let's go back to CoinMarketCap. I wanna I wanna really do a quick comparison, guys. Let's just look at a comparison really quick. So what we're gonna do is if you come to CoinMarketCap and we go to the markets, what we can do is we can look at a snapshot of last year. So let's see what was it looking like last year. What were the markets like? A lot of people don't know this because if you're brand new to cryptocurrency. So you come to CoinMarketCap, you hit the button that says tools is the button. So we'll hit the tools button. And then you want your internet signal to be working, right? So that way you can go. So mine is moving very, very slow. Isn't that why does technology always want to act up when companies around? Right? When have you ever been in a situation, right? You're using your television, or you're using, you're watching something on TV and you're using your computer and it works fine, and if all of a sudden you got a company come over and you're like, let's watch a movie, and then it goes bad. Well, look, guys, I'm going to cut this video short because here it is right here. Okay, so historical snapshots. My internet signal is going slow, but we're going to look at this snapshot here, and then we're going to begin to end this video. I just want to compare what has been going on over in the last 12 months of cryptocurrency. So we're going to look at 2017. We're going to go to January, and we're going to compare this to 2018 January, which is right now. Okay, so let's do a quick comparison contrast. We'll go here. We'll look at this CoinMarketCap. Okay, and we're going to compare that. So what we'll notice is, now you don't see that here, but in 2017, there was only about $20 trillion. $20 billion, my bad. That was in this marketplace. So it went from 20 billion to over 700 billion in 1 year, guys. So that is already huge. We look at the price of stuff like Bitcoin. So we see Bitcoin is at 15,000. We could look at a year ago, it was only at 963. We look at Ethereum is now 1,200. It was $8 a year ago. Ripple's 246. Year ago, it was under a penny. Okay, under a penny. With Cardano, I don't even think that was even in existence. I don't believe. Litecoin is $256 now and still going up. Litecoin back then a year ago was only $4, guys. So we can see most of this stuff that was here, that was in the top 10, have just done like times 10, times 20. So usually the top 10 programs, they do really well if you're gonna go with those. Again, you got to follow your own advice, guys. I'm just telling you what I'm seeing. I'm not telling you to do this or don't do this. It's up to you. But when we look at stuff like what else do we have here that's old? Dash, $11. Oh my God, Dash was $11. Now we look at Dash. Dash is almost $1,200. So you see that here. So the prices have been really exploding. It's going crazy. So I'm just gonna tell you like this, man. You can't go wrong if you diversify. Well, you can go wrong, but if you're losing money in crypto, it's something wrong with you. I'm gonna tell you, it's something really wrong with you. You may need to just check yourself because it's so much money that's just coming in, and if you losing, it's a problem. Maybe you have a gambling addiction or something. I don't know, but you need to look into that. Maybe get some help. But you're getting help by subscribing to my channel because maybe you just needed to be educated. So we're going to take this journey together. I'm going to hopefully help you educate. Like this video. Even if you don't like it, still hit the like because it's going to help the channel grow and more people will be able to see it. So that way I can be able to, share more powerful stuff with you sooner and faster. So like the video, subscribe to this page, guys. And if you want to learn more about some of the passive programs like that lending program, I got the link there. And if you just want to learn about other stuff, let me know. Leave the description and questions. Leave questions in the comments and stuff. And then I'll reply. And I'll talk to y'all later. Let's get this money.